So ladies and gentlemen, who don't know say yo, cooking time right now and boat are run right now and it's a surprising because I run the boat today. And I know they may expect me to say hold on there. So Chabas I go cook then. No! I want to know what they're not supposed to ask that me about if Chabas I go cook. Before we introduce the cook and everything, let's show you. I'm going to supermarket liquor. You don't know Hennessy is here. Cranberry is here. And ginger beer is here. You know what I mean? So right now, we introducing the one and only Chef Jake's in the building. 6. Yeah. Yeah.
They never expect that.
Yeah, they never expect that. So today at Jake's in the kitchen. Jake's elaborate. What's cooking today?
Well, I want to tell you say some swimmers I deal with it.
Yeah.
With some rice and peas.
Yeah.
You see me? So
you have to have your time.
Yeah.
You have to have your okra. Right.
6. You see me? And for the swimmers?
Yeah.
Swimmers tea.
Swimmers tea.
Swimmers tea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Grace swimmers tea.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So, oh.
And vinegar.
Distill.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lemon and lime.
Yes.
Cut the rawness.
Are the swimmers?
Are the swimmers.
Yes.
Yeah.
How many people don't know that now?
Only people don't know that, you see me? So that we are gonna do right now. You know I can get the real corn oil.
Yeah.
See me? I say so.
What the vegetable there for?
This here?
Yeah.
Some mixed vegetable on the side. You see me? I say.
Wow.
Sunday, you know, so you have to keep it Sunday-ish.
Yes. Sunday-ish.
Sunday-ish. You see me?
Yeah, we keep it Sunday.
Yeah.
We have some bell pepper in the building.
Like some girl knows.
I said they say it was big like sweet pepper.
Yeah. So that and drink some water.
Drink some water. Stay hydrated while cooking, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So that I go on and now we have to put them over here, son.
Put them well lined up.
Well lined up on thing.
We don't make sure we set up.
Yeah. Walk in and over here. Nice. Oh, look. Woo. Hold on.
Yeah.
People. Hold on.
And if it's right there, you know?
Alright, so guess what?
Yeah.
Now I introduce Chef Jake's.
Yes.
Chef Jake's.
Chef Jake's in the building, officially.
Official.
And gloves.
And the gloves then.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, so you're real prepared, your cutting board and everything there. So right now we are waiting for a minute. I don't know if Chabas are forward because Chabas love going like say the night them get too cold for him. Every time if you touch out they hear my bad, but I do cold, I do. Bro, he used to live in New York. In town, too much of Florida. That Florida too long in town.
Go back Canada over there.
A ball for cold. The man used to live in New York for much years. And he moved to Florida and now he got Canada and a ball for cold. Imagine that, I never expect that. But you're right now, Bingy up on him way forward.
Oh, you left out already?
I think so. You're right, you look while him ask for bungo rice and peas we have to.
I should have tell him no.
Tell him no. Yes, see that Bingy and me orchestrate the lie there. I'll go for what your phone right now. Yeah, the last thing you say, yeah, bungo rice and peas.
Yep.
Yeah. So, as we say, we're in a building right now, Chef Jake's, a Sunday, so we are doing very, yeah, 6.
You came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the goal.
Alright, so right now we are here again. So far, let them know what's going on so far.
Let's look up season for the pot, you see me?
Season of
the rice pot.
Yeah.
You see me? In piece of time, you know.
Remember, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chef Jake's in the building today.
6.
You know what I mean? I know me alone can forward over here and cook. I know me alone as chef over here. Let's get that clear. Okay, ladies. Okay, ladies, hear it.
See me? Swimmers crown. No head.
Yeah, crown.
Well seasoned up. And the tail them just sit down and go and wait.
Yeah.
You see me? Fix up that. Cover them.
So far everything they're on schedule?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Being in a reach yet, we just want to forward on it.
Any food done. You saw here, you say, yo, how far the pot reach?
And then you have a year, yo, Jake, shear it out. And
Shear? A wickedness.
That are not 6.
That are not 6.
I know 6 no at all. So right now we both wash the rice.
Yeah. You know, so we have a big debate about this on the channel. All the people say they don't wash rice.
Eh?
Yeah.
No man, rice is wash. No matter how much them tell you say wash and it look clean, rice is wash.
It have to wash.
I get rice with weevil in it already.
Yeah.
I get rice with dirty and wash it, the water like milky.
Yeah, the water. Yeah.
Water.
When you wash the rice, the water always change color, so I don't know what they tell about no wash rice.
Nasty. Them are women are consume from.
Yeah, and that's why you know if you consume from certain people.
Oh, I understand. No.
Yeah.
See it back, alright? So watch it up. Cause me a chef, you know what?
Gauge, yeah, right.
Now all who don't know how to wash rice, I show them how them show you at Jamaica. You see me? Wash rice, man. And the whole meaning of that when you do so, if you look if you see no wave or nothing dirty in it, you see me? And you know, hand for clean. So if you bake it.
Bake it.
Catch the rice in there, so. And this is my little favorite part now, because I like see the thyme on top, you see me?
Yeah.
It's thyme, pepper, scallion, and pimento nugget.
Nuggets.
And I know how them style, you know. Keep a little bit of water, you see me? And just making it simmer. You see me? Yeah. Turn down the fire low. Don't burn up the people them rice.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours.
So right now we are back again with Chef Jake's in the kitchen. Which part of the pot you reach now?
I want to say, reach the seasoning part, you know. Well, I will cook up the swimmers. And thing, you know.
Yeah.
This part I name show look like okra.
Yeah.
Chamba. Good. Yeah, man there. Swimmers mix. Why? Water. That little gravy.
So right now we're there, you know what I mean, ketchup reach and butter going, and in the building, you don't know, telling us the meds upon him where? Yes, meds is in the building.
With meds.
Yes, with the meds. Right. So what you say going here now?
Okay. I make it cook down a little bit.
I do, yeah.
I introduce me to coloring.
Yeah.
You know? And browning. You can't put too much in the water, bitter.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just have to go.
Teach and teach us.
Yeah.
I'll be yours.
Where you mean? Where you there? Where are you, bro? Stay home.
Here what? Save little of your tears, yeah? You can pass out from dehydration from all the tears you waste.
Summer?
We are talking about, brother. No man, you have obligations where you have to uphold.
Jesus Christ. No, I tell me I wanna cook.
Brother, watch your vlog, man. So ladies and gentlemen, we're here right now. I'm kinda drunk. We're there and we are sip any. But guess what now, people? Jakes don't want to share.
You see me, we can't make this. Watch out. You see how that look good now? You want we go into the pot and make it look like a crash collision. Can't do that. So Jakes have to deal with
Jakes have to share, man. You know you lay them, yeah.
Watch out.
Show them your rice. Jesus Christ. Give thanks unto the most, you know?
Yes, sir. Yes,
yeah. And over here we have yes. Yes. That's wonderful. So ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if you ask what time it is. You don't have to ask, you know? Bingy over there. Bingy, what time it is?
Belly full time.
Right.
Yeah.
Go swag on, you know.
Brother. Brother. Not talk to you, I talk to Famous dog. Oh. You love your crown and say your blessings are.
Yeah, I have to walk and say my blessings.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Just to make sure.
Oh, it's fine, man.
You see, even though we're reference, we still have little decency.
You know who always asks me?
With parents grow about 6 feet.
Okay. Every time I vlog and me and Kay sit down right just so, that's the first thing she always asks me. She says, you pay for your food? That's the first thing she always asks me.
Rice and peas, bud.
Yo. Are you doing?
Yeah.
But Jake's a bad man. You're bad.
Little bit.
I know, sir. I know, sir, food did like a bad, that's why I go for a spoon. Some kind of.
And a shovel. I mean, I get a shovel to you, but because I assume I still.
Yo, one.
Yeah.
This is true, no, so famous have the vlog.
Yeah.
They want to have little decency. Then you over there have a shovel.
Yeah. I saw
Every decency they are doing.
Jake's go for fuck.
Yeah, man.
Yo, body, you know?
Man.
Yo. Trouble yourself to listen for him, though. Oh, he never says so good. No.
You want for one. You can't be disrespectful to bro. You
Yeah.
I must say that I will be warm up on overnight food. So
So we really could have give bro overnight food.
Can't give overnight food.
No, I'm just have to go wait till next time for again and just do a different part.
And in the
fresh.
day,
Yeah.
it makes sense.
Fresh part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause we can't put down food for him tomorrow. We can't do that. Disrespectful.
Yeah, more time the dog in the cage over the yard.
So we just have to ignore the fact that said me and cook again.
We're not just put food in the bowl there for the dog and put on that for the dog eat. So we can't put on food there.
Yeah, you can't put on food for Jenna. Jenna for there.
Yeah, yes, man.
So we just gonna ignore the fact.
And with the food. Yeah, so sorry, bro. So next time.
So we just gonna ignore the fact that he said I'm gonna cook again.
So Jake, shall we say you're not cook again?
No, not that Mr. Boy. Bingy can cook?
Huh?
Your food bad.
And you have to make the pizza.
Oh, yaki pizza? That's a 6.
And the gizzard and the bad too.
Yo, Jake's and Bingy in the fat some gizzard.
They are cooking next time too, no problem.
Chabas come over here next day and say, yo, you want some gizzard? You know what I tell him, say?
That's Shell.
Jake Shelly, all of them. So right now, I don't feel me I drink no more for night, no more drunk. No. Full. Oh, the camera got full. Alright, so big up on yourself, blessings and respect for Father and watch your vlog. Yeah, remember we have Jake's in the place.